Hi, I'm Santina WTI. If you are looking for a great light to do at-home manicures, I want to recommend this Gelish Mini Pro. So there's a few things I love about this. I have had this for a long time, so I feel like this is a very durable, good quality product. I also love the size. It's small and compact, so it stores very easily, and even if you only have a little bit of room for your home manicure area, you can set it up easily and not take up a lot of space. It's also very easy to use. All you have to do is press the button, put your nails in, and wait, and then your nails come out cured. And I am super happy with how my nails come out when I use this. I always think my home manicures look great with this product. So I am super happy with this, and I hope you will be as well. And that's my point of view.